All right, so number 4, okay? Now, I would tell you this. Yesterday, there was a question that has the hint given to you, and this one has the hint as well. There will not be a hint on the quiz, okay? So we are like giving you some assistance right now, but what I really hope is that you gain the ability to become really allergic when you see a number like this. And whenever you see something like this, what's going to happen is to take out the number that sits in front of x. In this case, the number is -2. So if you factor out -2, what would you write down inside the parentheses? It would be x minus 2. And you can confirm that it's x minus 2 because if you go ahead and distribute the -2 into the parentheses, you should get the same thing. Now, like I said before, it's always a good habit to list out your transformations so that you don't miss out anything. So there are 3 transformations here. What are they? First, it's a reflection over y-axis. Okay, so again, that means the graph is going down, it's decreasing. And next one is a vertical. No, not vertical, sorry, my bad. It is a b value, so it is a horizontal shrink or compression by 1/2. And also we have to shift the graph all the way to the right by 2 units. Okay. Now, in case you still wonder, is it possible to not factor and tell all these things? I tried. It doesn't work. So I really tried because when I first saw these kind of factoring stuff, I was like, is it really necessary? And time again, I failed to get the correct graph without factoring. So in case you wonder, do we have to factor? Yes, you have to. Okay. So now, how do we incorporate all these transformations into our graph? Well, we have to shift the graph 2 units to the right. So that means our center of rotational symmetry will be at 2, 0. All right. And then, what else? And then we have what? We have to go down. It's decreasing and horizontal compression by 1/2. So that means we will go to the right by 1/2 and move up or down 1 unit. And then we'll move to the right and left 1 unit, and then 7 units here. Okay. Just like this. So boring domain and range. For this one, our x-intercept is very apparent. It's 2, 0. And now, the challenge here is, hey, what's the y-intercept? It's not shown in the graph. Is there a y-intercept? Now, even though we don't see it, is there a y-intercept? Of course there is. I mean, it keeps going to the left. It has to cut through the y-axis. But where? But where? Well, one thing that we know for sure about y-intercept is what? X has to be 0, right? And like I said yesterday, and I'm going to reiterate this again, just make sure that you truly appreciate, and I do mean the word appreciate, like being thankful, okay? You thank for the existence of an equation, because if you have an equation, You can tell that, oh yeah, what happens when x is equal to 0? Well, when x is equal to 0, that's what you have. What's 4 cubed again? 64. So therefore, the y-intercept is 0, 64. Just because you don't see it doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. You know it's going to be there, and you have the means to find it. Okay, you have the means to find it. Okay, and that's also the reason why I gave you the quick tip, because you are about to see these numbers more often. Okay, so again, make sure that you are able to capture the number, capture the point, even though it's beyond the viewing area. Okay.